Wait, you're doing it all wrong. You're doing it all wrong. Have you heard that before? You look crazy. I wouldn't do it if I were you. I were you, should have, could have, would have. You're not doing it right. You look crazy. That's the first thing you'll get when you're in the wrong environment and you're sharing your vision or you're sharing your dream with dream killers. If this is your season, my friend, sometimes you need to hold your vision until God makes provision. He'll give you when I say this, I'm talking about favor. Favor can come in many forms. Sometimes it's finance, but sometimes it's divine placement. He'll place you in the right path in the right time. He'll give you individuals, accountability partners, mentors, and opportunities that will push you to your passion and push you to your destiny. So I don't care how crazy you look to them when you have divine placement and God is giving you access to favor and access to mentorship and people who have already walked the path that you're trying to walk in. You will look crazy because they already know where you're trying to go. Here's a perfect example.
Oh boy!
And
that's
that's yes, you got 3 correct answers, and so now you win your choice between 2 wonderful prizes.
Oh boy!
Right, you can choose either an all-expense-paid 2-week vacation in Hawaii, along with a new car, a new house, and $10,000 in cash,
Wow. Oh,
or a cookie.
oh boy.
What do you say, Ralph?
Can we talk it over?
Sure.
Okay. Oh boy, what do you think, dear? Oh, it's up to you, Ralph. You want a Hawaiian vacation? New car? A new house? A new money? I do, but, well, you decide, dear. You got your budgets. Cookie!
A cookie.
Cookie!
Listen, in this example, all he had to do was call a friend, call a mentor, find someone who has a house, who has a car, who has $10,000 and some cookies. Listen, when you're sharing it, you need to find somebody who's caring. When you're trying to vent and get that vision out, you cannot share it with everyone. So listen, click in the link in the description. I have a special 1-day workshop. It'll assist you with getting rid of the fears. Sometimes we're hard on ourselves because we're getting all that negative feedback. And sometimes we need just the faith to get through it. Listen, I have a 1-day pop-up about how to position your brand for success. I need you to click in the link below and make sure you follow me on YouTube and on all platforms, on Instagram and on Facebook. I'm going to be sharing that on next week, a 1-day pop-up webinar just for you. And I have some special guests I want to invite. Again, make sure you click and like each page, position your brand for success, and make sure you surround yourself with individuals and opportunities that will push you to your destiny. You're not alone. You're going to make it. This is your season. You got this. This your season. Come on, let's go.